Okay, this is standard MOZ7 V2 build like on the GEPRC website. The only difference is with the buzzer, which is E4 2B 5V buzzer, and the standard SpeedX 2809 motors, and the Taker S743 BT 32-bit 65 ampere stack. The components are the standard components only. I have built it from the ground, ordered the components, I built it one by one. I am using the stock O4 antennas, no modified one, the one provided with the GEPRC. Few mistakes which can be avoided, like I have, when soldering wires to the ESC, bring wires from the inside rather than outside because it would overlap with the side plates. I am unable to use the side plates because it's just pushing the wires, and unfortunately it added the crack in the wire. So if you are building from the ground, always bring the wire from the inside rather than the outside. That would make the build clean. After soldering motors with the ESC, you have to connect the GPS with the flight controller, which you have completely done the motors wiring, the GPS wiring, and the power wiring. Then you should only put the heatsink, otherwise you would be keep pulling on and off. Once you are done with the wiring, then only put the heatsink. O4 connection is simple. You just put the wire. You won't need any wires other than the stock. They are long enough that you would be able to connect. Once the O4 is connected, you have ESC and flight controller connected. Then you can use the smoke stopper to connect the battery and test it. If stopper gives the green signal, you are good. The most stressing part is done. Just put the plates back on, connect the battery, put the straps, and you are good to go. If we compare MOZ7 V2 with Vapor D5 and D6, the smaller it is, the better control you have in case you are looking for tight edges and sharp turns. However, MOZ7 V2 serves one purpose really well: the mountain surfing or the smooth cinematic flights with longer battery time. For most of the time, you might not need MOZ7 V2 unless you are looking for mountains or longer battery time. Let me know in the comments if you are looking for more information about comparison.